Colorado jaywalking laws.
Jaywalking, the act of crossing a street illegally, is a common issue in many urban areas. The state of Colorado, like many other states, has specific laws that regulate jaywalking to ensure the safety of both pedestrians and motorists. 1.
What is jaywalking in Colorado?
Jaywalking is the act of crossing a street outside of a designated crosswalk or pedestrian crossing. Colorado Revised Statute 42-4-803 makes it a traffic offense to cross a road at any place between two intersections with working traffic control signals other than a crosswalk. Pedestrians' duty to obey traffic control signals and devices. Pedestrians in Colorado are required to obey traffic control signals and devices such as crosswalk signals, stop signs, and traffic lights. Pedestrians' right-of-way in crosswalks. In Colorado, pedestrians have the right-of-way in crosswalks. Motorists are required to yield to pedestrians who are lawfully crossing in a crosswalk. Pedestrians' right-of-way on sidewalks. Pedestrians also have the right-of-way on sidewalks in Colorado. Crossing at other than crosswalks. Pedestrians who cross a street at a location other than a crosswalk or pedestrian crossing, where one is available, are breaking the law in Colorado. Jaywalking in business districts. In business districts in Colorado, pedestrians are required to use crosswalks or pedestrian crossings to cross the street.
3. Penalties for jaywalking in Colorado.
The penalties for jaywalking in Colorado vary depending on the specific violation. The fines can range from $15 to $100 for a first offense, with subsequent offenses resulting in higher fines and even the possibility of community service. 4. Tips for pedestrians to avoid jaywalking. Always use crosswalks and pedestrian crossings when they are available. Wait for the walk signal before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street. Avoid crossing the street mid-block. 5. Tips for motorists to avoid accidents with pedestrians. Always yield to pedestrians who are lawfully crossing in a crosswalk or pedestrian crossing. Slow down and be prepared to stop when approaching a crosswalk or pedestrian crossing. Avoid distractions such as texting or using a mobile phone while driving. Look for pedestrians before turning or changing lanes. 6. Dangers of jaywalking. Drivers may not anticipate or look out for pedestrians at points between controlled intersections. That can increase the likelihood of a pedestrian accident. If a pedestrian is injured in an accident while jaywalking, Colorado courts may reduce a compensatory award or even bar the plaintiff from recovery under comparative negligence. Colorado uses a modified comparative negligence law which reduces a plaintiff's award of damages by the percent of the plaintiff's fault. If the pedestrian is 50% or more at fault, the injured person is barred from recovering any damages from the driver. If you've been injured in a pedestrian versus car collision, you should talk to a Denver pedestrian accident lawyer right away.